So let's talk about what does digital marketing means to you. Whenever I ask people what does digital marketing means to you, people will say Facebook, Facebook ads, TikTok, Instagram, Google, email. All right. So basically, digital marketing is a big area, right? Whatever you mentioned is just part of digital marketing. So if you look at the definition from Digital Marketing Institute and digitalmarketer.com, digital marketing basically means the use of new media or digital technology to help you achieve your marketing goals. It is also an act of promoting and selling your products and services by leveraging online marketing tactics, including social media marketing, email marketing, search marketing, and so on and so forth. So it's the digital plus marketing. Fundamentally, it's marketing, all right, to help you achieve your marketing goals using digital technology and leveraging social network platforms and search engine. So there are core advantages. There are 4, right, to help you to improve your presence and get the result that you need with digital marketing. So the first thing is, if you do it the right way, you can actually reach out to your targeted audience in a cost-effective and a measurable way. Example, you can launch a Facebook ads campaign and to indicate who you want to target. Example, people who stays in Kuala Lumpur, female, age 30, who are interested in skincare products. All right. Number 2, you can engage your customers at every buying stage, from social media to search engine, from laptop to mobile apps, from WhatsApp to email, from online to offline or offline to online. Everyone, before they buy something, every user, you want to buy a book, you want to buy a phone, you want to buy a house, you want to buy a car, every user will have this thing called buying journey or buying stage. And we're going to talk a little bit deeper on this part at the later of the module. All right. So it creates a touch point. We can meet these people. We can show them our ads, our message, our offer at every touch point, from Facebook to Instagram to TikTok to search engine. All right. From WhatsApp to email and from online to offline. So you can create different touch point to influence the purchase decision, all right, and to increase the purchase intent. And number 3, it is budget friendly, scalable, and easy to get started. You can start Facebook ads with 5 ringgit per day, all right. Google ads, 5 ringgit, 10 ringgit per day is fine. You can do it. And you can easily build credibility, positioning, and branding, right, with digital marketing. You don't have to pay for expensive newspaper column ads. You don't have to pay for airtime talk show in radio or TV stations. You can simply create a Facebook page or YouTube account, a business account to increase your exposure and build brand from scratch. So these are the 4 core advantages of digital marketing.